With the rising feed costs, feed has become a hot topic for today's poultry farmer. It is responsible for around 65% of the total cost for the farmer. Bird weighing is a way to control the feed costs and is an essential part for any poultry farm. There are two reasons why it is essential. First, it gives valuable management information by looking at the development of the weights. This helps you to determine your feed strategy, which will be efficient but also effective. A very important factor with the current feed prices. It will save you costs and increase technical results. By combining feed registration and the development of bird weights, you can get an insight in your feed conversion data. With this information, you can decide if it is needed to change your current feed strategy. Then second, bird weighing gives you early warnings. This is an insight in the daily operations of your poultry house. Deviations from the weight development is an early warning that something is wrong. It will not show you the main reason for this deviation. However, it gives you the possibility to check what's wrong in the beginning of the round. When you act on the data provided by the weighing system, this will prevent major problems later in the round. Even when there is no problem in your house, you might find reasons to change your current feed strategy. You can also try different feed mixes to find a better feed mix. So to conclude, bird weighing could bring you from average results towards top results. Is this what you want? Then contact your local distributor or check the Fancon website.